Hello ACCA students, done with exams? Now this video is particularly for ACCA professional level students. Guys, at ACCA professional level, we have two compulsory papers, that is Strategic Business Reporting SBR and Strategic Business Leader SBL, and four optional papers, out of which you have to select any two. The four optional papers are Advanced Financial Management AFM, Advanced Performance Management APM, Advanced Taxation ATX, and Advanced Auditing and Assurance AAA. Okay, so out of these four papers, you have to select two. Now the challenge in which two? So I am here to help you guys in deciding which two papers you have to select. I will not be telling you which two papers you have to select, but definitely I will guide you and I will give you the parameters basis which you have to select which two papers are best suited for you guys. Okay. So the basic rule to select the two papers out of four optional papers is to understand the intent of ACCA behind giving this optional papers. Okay. See, ACCA has already given you the basic knowledge of each and everything, be it FM, be it PM, be it tax, be it audit. Okay. At skill level, basic knowledge is already given to you. Now ACCA doesn't want you to study all the four papers, rather ACCA wants you to become an expert in areas of your interest. Okay, ACCA wants you to assess what is the career path you want to take and study that paper here. Okay, rather than studying everything here. Now, so what you have to understand, assess what is your area of interest and then select the optional papers. And what I have seen personally is students assess the passing percentages and select the optional papers. See, I'm not saying that you did not assess the passing percentages. Assessing the passing percentages is also important, but it should not be the primary reason of selecting the optional papers. Okay. Now, so what I will do is I will discuss the basic understanding of each paper, and I will tell you the passing percentages of also for each paper. Now, considering each of these, you have to make a decision that which optional paper you have to select. Starting with AFM, see, if you are someone who wants to make a career in finance, be it business finance or strategic business growth team, or you can say mergers and acquisitions, or you can say valuations, or you can say financial due diligence, or likewise career path, then AFM is the paper for you. Coming to APM, if you want to make a career in, you can say pricing strategies, management accounting, okay, or you can say budgets, or I can say financial planning and analysis, or likewise career path, then APM is the paper for you. Coming to ATX, if you're someone who wants to work in UK, okay, then in that case you are required to have a knowledge of UK tax, and ATX gives you that knowledge. So please consider that if you have plans to work in UK, then please select ATX as an option for you. Now coming to AAA, see, if you are working in audit department of any country, you must select AAA as an option. You know the reason very well. Okay. Now, additionally, if you are working in the finance and accounts department of any startup or any industry or any company, then also please select AAA as an option. Why? Because you will get to know the auditor side of the picture. Okay, you will get to understand the auditor thought process, and this will help you in getting the audit smoothly. Okay. Now, so coming to the different perspective of selecting the optional papers is the passing percentages. Now, if I have to say the passing percentages, then I will just say that AAA and APM has a lower passing percentages as compared to that of AFM and ATX. Okay. But see, I'm not saying that you are not required to assess the passing percentages. You are required to consider passing percentages, but don't make it a primary reason. Okay. Now that's all for the day, guys. If you want me to make a video on any other topic for ACCA, do let me know in the comment box. Definitely I will try to make it off. Further, if you like this video and it helped you, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.